Let's take a look at what's new in channel revenue management for 24B. One of the new things is define CRM users as workers. You can extend customer claim settlement methods, manage customer co-op programs, and additional functionality to manage customer volume programs. So let's go take a look. Let's take a look at the channel revenue management 24B new feature, manage customer volume programs. Manage customer volume rebate programs. You can use it to accrue rebates based on cumulative sale volume across your orders. You can define percentage rebates based on sales value attained at tiers or amount per unit rebates based on the quantity sold at attained tiers. Retrospective calculations are supported, and you can define product eligibility by item, or for all items, or you can do exclusions. Eligible sales are obtained from sales orders, which can be imported through the CSV file. Incentivize channel customers to reach predefined purchase volume levels. This will help streamline and automate tracking and payments of volume rebates, and it will improve your financial visibility to volume program liabilities. You can create a new program. It will be created in draft status. You can add your business units, the program type, name, code, etc. You can add your threshold and your product eligibility by item, category, or all items. And it also supports exclusions by item or category. You can import and export product rules from Excel for both customer volume and customer annual volume programs. You can view the in progress and paid drill down in the customer payments from the program checkbook. You can view the customer payments for specific programs, and they're available for all sell-side programs. Users who are assigned a configured job role that contains privileges can submit programs for approval, and that is the manage customer programs. It's also a privilege to view customer programs. You must turn on the feature approve customer programs with BPM workflow to enable the workflow based on approvals. To manage the task configuration for the channel customer programs approval task, you will need the BPM workflow administrative role. Program approvers who are assigned a configured role will need the privilege approve customer programs as well. Thanks for watching, and have fun with your customer programs. Let's take a look at channel revenue management 24B new feature, manage customer co-op programs. Co-op advertising is an arrangement between the manufacturer or distributors and their channel partners. With co-op programs, you can accrue rebates based on your sales spanning the effective date of the programs. This program type is a variation of an annual program. It applies to all customers, and rebates are defined for each product rule. You can define product eligibility by item, category, or for all items. Product eligibility supports exclusion by item or category as well. Eligible sales are obtained from sales orders, which are imported through a CSV file. This improves the differentiation and channel awareness of a manufacturer or distributor's product and services. It can streamline and automate tracking and payment of co-op marketing funds, and improves the financial visibility to co-op program liabilities. To create a co-op program, you can go into the UI. It starts in the draft mode. Add your business unit, program type, name, code, etc. You can add your product eligibility by product, category, all items, and product eligibility supports exclusion of items or categories of items. You can manage your customer co-op accrued rebates in the program checkbook UI. Users who are assigned a configured job role that contains privileges can submit the program for approvals. One such is the manage customer programs. There is a view customer programs privilege. You must turn on the feature approve customer programs with the BPM workflow to enable workflow-based approvals. To manage the task for channel customer program approval task, you need a custom role that includes the BPM workflow system admin role. Program approvers who are assigned a configured job role that contains this privilege can also view the approvals, and that's the approve custom programs. Thanks for watching, and have a great time with your customer co-op programs. There is new functionality to extend customer claim settlement methods. Extend customer settlement claims. You have some new options to create a settlement method for manual claims that is unique for your business processes. For example, for claims created via an external system or application, use the new feature to settle those claims in an external account receivable or payable application. This feature reduces the time and effort to integrate the settlements of claims in third-party financial systems or deduction management systems. The current customer claim functionality provides ready-to-use integration to the Fusion Financial Cloud for a host of ways to settle claims. However, you may have additional settlement requirements. Here are some of the common scenarios where you can use the custom settlement methods. Process settlement in legacy or third-party financial systems. Settle with an AR document for overpayment, something akin to a negative chargeback where an AR transaction is used to give money back to a customer who have overpaid. Pay by wire or EFT, as is common practice in European countries. Settle with free goods. If you issue free goods to your customer against their claim, custom settlement can support sales order settlement in your order management system for the claim. The custom settlement method is available for promotion and non-promotion manual claims. For promotional claims, custom settlement method also handle channel revenue accounting for you, and you can use EBS AP check as a custom settlement method. If you don't want the application to generate a claim number, you can provide a manual claim number. 2 additional source fields have been added to the manual claim UI to capture the source system and the claim number from the source system. You will need to opt in the order management offering. Next, you can add a new custom settlement method to the Aura CJM settlement methods lookup, setup and maintenance work area. You can go into the manage channel lookups in the channel revenue manage, easy for me to say. Search for the lookup with the settlement methods, add a new lookup code representing the new settlement method, configure a custom settlement method under its application claim source. You can do that in setup and maintenance, manage claim sources, and then you can add the custom settlement method to your applicable, and then you can configure the subledger accounting role. Only one instrument per claim is supported. The instrument is an AR transaction in a third party's receivable system. This maps to an instrument child resource of the channel custom claims REST service. The payment child resource of the REST is not applicable because payments are not applicable in receivables. Integration must be derived the third-party instrument customer from the claim customer. Details passed back to the channel are the instrument type, code, number, date, amount, tax information, and status. This instrument is used to issue the bill to on the manual claim. Multiple payments for a single instrument per claim are supported. The instrument is the AP transaction, and the third payment is a check or an EFT or other methods if you have them. This maps to the instrument and payment child resource on the channel customer claim REST. Other things to think about: are you already using or managing suppliers in Fusion? If not, the integration must derive the instrument supplier from the customer claim. If yes, then during the investigation, you can specify, and integration can then derive the third-party instrument payee from the provided supplier site. The instrument details passed back are the instrument type, code, number, date, amount, and status. Claim analysis passes a supplier site during the investigation, then the third-party instrument payee is optional. If integration derives the instrument supplier from the customer claim, then the third-party payee name is mandatory in a free form text field. If the integration derives the instrument supplier from the claim, but maintains the Fusion supplier site, then the integration can pass back the supplier details, information, and the payee information. Users who are assigned a configured job role that contains the privileges can submit claims for approvals, most customer claims. You also have the view customer claims and approve customer claims. This is a job role configured that can view the approval notifications. To manage task configuration for the channel customer claim approval task, you need a custom role that includes the BPM workflow system administrator role. Good day. Now you can define workers in Redwood. Define your channel revenue management users as workers to support the supervisor-based approvals. You can view, search, and assign owners to suppliers and customer programs, supplier and customer claims, and supplier name and email address. This will help you track your channel revenue management users to support the supervisor-based BPM approvals. Now your claim will be HCM workers to utilize the supervisor-based approvals. Additionally, you can search by owner name or email. Use the opt-in UI to enable the feature. Go to Order Management, run the Validate Channel OS to report on owners who are not HCM users. Leave the owner user name parameter blank to identify all of the owners who are not HCM workers. Ensure all owners are HCM workers. Click Create CM workers in My Teams, or then you can create them. Go to My Teams, Users who are not assigned the job configure roles won't be able to run it, but